How to fix Chrome or Firefox will not downloading or saving files to your computer. 1. Try uninstalling the browser and reinstalling. 2. If permission error message required, or you read no file or file error message, contact the website owner or try downloading the same file from another site. 3. Reset all zones to normal in Internet options. 4. Cancel the download and try again. 5. For Firefox users, 5.1. Clear download history. 5.2 Choose a different download. Folder. 5.3 Reset the download folder at About Config. Download.dir. Download.download. dir download.folder list. Download.last dir. Download.use download dir. 5.4 Reset the download process for all file types by refreshing your Firefox in the Troubleshooting Information tab.